Alright guys, I've got this unknown Euro cylinder REDEYE sent me. Kind of looks like an Abus keyway to me, but not sure. Anybody out there knows, correct me if I'm wrong. Key does work, nice and smooth. It's locked up. There's the bitting on the key. So let's see if we can get this one opened up. It does work. It is locked up. Use top of the keyway. I'm going to use my Peterson's gem, 18 thousandths. Might have switched to 15, don't know yet. And for some reason, I've really started liking tensioning counterclockwise. So, alright, let's see what we've got. Click on one, little turn of the core. Another little turn on two, I believe. That pin does not want to set. There we go. Something doesn't feel right here. I think I might have it too tight in the vise. Let's loosen this up a little bit. Yeah, that sounds like what the problem was, because I heard some pins drop. Let's try this again. You know what, guys? I'm gonna move this down. Let's try that. Keep this thing from coming out on me. And let's try this one last time. Hopefully last time. And there it is. So evidently I had it clamped down too tight. Alright, let's open this thing up and see what we've got in her. REDEYE, greatly appreciate these locks. Can't tell you how much fun it's been picking them. Especially the Euro locks, since I had no experience with these. Let's see. Let's turn this. Like that. Alright. All 5 pins in and working. Let's dump them out. 1. Oops, that's 2. 1, 3, 4, and 5. No changes to the core. This is a standard lock. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Alright, here's what we've got. All standard key pins. Got the acetype barrel in 1, and then 2, 3, 4, and 5 are all spool pins. Thanks again for the locks, REDEYE. Thanks for watching.